In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bank rules in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up rules that automatically categorize your bank transactions, saving you time and helping keep your books consistent. Let's start from the main dashboard in QuickBooks Online. First, you'll want to navigate to your bank transactions. To do that, go to the bookkeeping section on the left-hand menu, then click on Transactions, and from there select Bank Transactions. This is the area where all your connected bank and credit card feeds come into QuickBooks. Once you're on the Bank Transactions page, look toward the top of the screen for a tab labeled Rules. Go ahead and click on that. The Rules tab is where you'll see any existing rules you've already created, and it's also where you'll set up new ones. Now, to create a new rule, click the New Rule button. This opens up the Rule Setup window. The first thing you'll do here is give your rule a clear, recognizable name. Use something that describes the type of transaction you're targeting, like office supplies or fuel expenses. A good rule name makes it easier to maintain and troubleshoot later on. Next, you'll specify which transactions this rule applies to. Start by choosing whether it applies to money in or money out. Money in covers deposits and income, while money out covers payments and expenses. After that, choose the bank or credit card account you want this rule to apply to. You can select a specific account, or if you want the same rule to work across all your feeds, choose all bank accounts. Now it's time to set the conditions that tell QuickBooks when to use this rule. Click Add a Condition. You can add up to 5 conditions for a single rule. For each condition, decide what part of the transaction QuickBooks should look at. You can base the rule on the description, the bank text, or the amount. Then choose how it should match. Options like contains, doesn't contain, or is exactly let you fine-tune when the rule triggers. For example, you might say the description contains the name of a vendor, or the amount is exactly a set figure. Once your conditions are in place, define what you want QuickBooks to do with any transactions that match. Start with the transaction type, such as expense or transfer, depending on what makes sense. Then choose the category, which is the account on your chart of accounts where these transactions should be recorded. After that, assign a payee if you have a regular vendor or customer associated with this rule. You can also add tags to help with reporting and tracking specific projects or cost centers. When everything looks good and you're happy with the setup, click Save to finish. From now on, any new bank transactions that meet your conditions will follow this rule, helping you automate your bookkeeping and keep your records clean and consistent.